Hey, what's going on, guys? Kurt Tasha here. Guys, today in this video, I want to talk to you about what I feel is the absolute best YouTube thumbnail maker software. And I just learned about it a few days ago, and that is a software called Thumbnail Blaster. But guys, before you can tell that, though, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now to get more videos on internet marketing, ways to make money online, and how you can become a more successful home business entrepreneur. So guys, Thumbnail Blaster is a brand new YouTube thumbnail maker. In fact, like I said, it's the best YouTube thumbnail maker software that, in my opinion, and it comes to you from the Blaster Suite company, who has been behind a lot of the more successful video marketing, video production products that have been released over the past few years. So, but instead of talking about the software myself, guys, and how it all works, how great it is, I'm going to go ahead and show you a demo done by the software's creator. He's going to walk you through and show you how it all works. And in fact, the thumbnail you see on this video here was created by me using Thumbnail Blaster. It actually only took me a few minutes to do. Actually, not even that. It took like less than a minute to put together. So I'm going to show you the demo, guys. I'll be back as soon as he's finished.
Hey there, creating breathtaking thumbnails that triple your views and traffic with Thumbnail Blaster is a piece of cake. The first thing that you need to do is select a video from your YouTube account. For this example, I will go with this video, with my dog Hera. Now, the default thumbnail, well, it kinda sucks, so let's create a new thumbnail for this video using Thumbnail Blaster. All that you have to do is click on next, and as you can see, the artificial intelligence algorithm analyzed our video and suggested us 3 thumbnail templates. Of course, if you want, you can close this and select one thumbnail manually from the huge list that we have in Thumbnail Blaster, but in this case, I will go with this thumbnail. It looks great. So I just click on load template, and that's it. Thumbnail Blaster extracted our title, it downloaded the original thumbnail and customized the whole template for us. If we want, we can simply use it as it is and save it, but let me show you how powerful our editor is. First, I will change the fonts for this text. Okay, it looks perfect. I will also change the font for this and this. Now let me add a picture of Hera instead of this puppy. I'm just going to select the image from my computer. I flip it, resize it a bit, and that's it. Now I will also add one cool smiley face from our collection. I simply go to shapes, select emojis. Alright, this looks great. Let me rotate it a bit. Perfect. That's it. The thumbnail looks stunning, and let's save this and publish it on YouTube. That's it. There it is. The thumbnail that we just created in a few seconds is now published and active on our YouTube video. Now let me just open YouTube really fast to see how it looks. I'm going to search for Hera Boxer, and here is my video. Now just take a look on how it looked before and how it looks now. Amazing, right? Take a look at all these other videos. On what would you click right now? On the one that has our thumbnail, right? The one that we just created. Well, you see, it's that easy to triple your click-through rate, your views, and your traffic. So start using custom thumbnails on your current and future uploads, and I'm sure you will see a massive spike in views and traffic. Now, if you want to find out more about Thumbnail Blaster, just click on the link below and check out all the amazing templates that we have and all the amazing other features. Now let me show you another amazing feature of Thumbnail Blaster. You have the unique ability to split test and find the best performing thumbnails for your video. This is a never seen before feature that will give you an unfair advantage over your competition. Now you simply start a new split test. Here you select thumbnail A, then you select thumbnail B, and you select the duration of the split test. That's it. Now Thumbnail Blaster will change the thumbnails automatically each hour, and at the end it will select the thumbnail that got us the most views. Now I really hope you see the power of Thumbnail Blaster and how it can help you and your video marketing campaigns. You can check out all the features and more templates somewhere below on this page. I'm sure you will love this app. Thanks a lot for watching this video.
Alright guys, so now that you've seen the demo, it's time to pick up your copy of this, what I feel again is the best YouTube thumbnail maker software. So go ahead and click the link down below. And when you do, guys, you'll actually be able to see my full review of the software that I did. And when you pick up your copy through my link down below, you'll also qualify for over $1,000 worth of bonuses that you're going to get personally from me, but only when you pick up your copy through the link down below. Just make sure you pick up your copy ASAP before May 3rd at midnight, because that's when the price is going to be going up. Okay? And the bonuses will probably be taken away when that time comes. So again, there's going to be a short launch phase going on from the 29th of April through May 3rd, 11:59 p.m. midnight, around that time. Make sure you grab your copy ASAP to secure the best price and to get the best bonuses. Okay? And if you happen to pick up your copy after May 3rd, you're probably going to pay a little bit more for it, but I tell you what, it's going to be way worth it. But again, if you can, pick up your copy way before. I think it's $27 introductory price, so it's like nothing. Okay? So guys, thanks for watching, and look forward to talking with you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Take care.